Gianni Versace put 4 women on a runway: Naomi Campbell, Cindy Crawford, Linda Evangelista, and Christy Turlington. They became icons. One song, one walk, one moment that changed everything. That's what makes it iconic. The walk itself was unforgettable. The Fab Four came out arm in arm, lip-syncing George Michael's Freedom 90, moving in a perfect sync. Cameras clicked, editors scribbled notes, and the energy in the room was impossible to ignore. In that moment, the difference between a model and a supermodel became crystal clear. They owned the runway, and the industry finally had a word that captured their status: supermodel. And the looks. Every outfit was part of the story. My absolute favorite, the all-black pieces. Linda opened in black from head to toe dress, heels, leather gloves. There's just something untouchable about black. My wardrobe is mostly black, my favorite dresses are black, and those gloves, iconic. That combination of sleek, strong, and daring energy, that's what makes it iconic. Then comes the silk dress. Linda again, with Catholic imagery printed all over, and thigh-high black leather boots. Back then, those boots were considered bold, even taboo. The mix of innocent religious prints with daring boots is a paradox I love. Innocence meets audacious sexuality. Every time I see it, it feels like Versace was playing by his own rules and winning. That paradox, that's what makes it iconic. And then there's the soundtrack. Naomi, Cindy, Linda, and Christy had already starred in the video. So when they lip-synced it on the catwalk, it wasn't performance, it was ownership. It gave the moment a pulse, a rhythm, a heartbeat. That song and that walk announced to the world, these women aren't just models, they're icons. That's what makes it iconic. Gianni Versace's vision was clear. He didn't make clothes to blend in. He made statements. He designed for women who could walk into a room and command it. His models weren't just mannequins. They were fearless, magnetic, unforgettable. Every dress, every glove, every boot screamed power, confidence, and style. That vision lives on in this moment. That's what makes it iconic. The Fab Four walked off that runway and the world watched differently. Supermodels weren't just a title anymore, they were a phenomenon. The combination of music, energy, and those outfits created a new standard. A single night defined an era. And that's why Versace 1991 will never be forgotten. That's what makes it iconic. If you love discovering moments that change fashion forever, subscribe to ICONELLE. Here we explore the fashion moments that didn't just happen, they defined everything.